soluble substances dissolve in water, whereas insoluble substances do not dissolve in water. Why water? Because water is the liquid in which everything dissolves, and it is also known as the solvent. So first we take salt. As you can see, this is salt. I have taken a spoon, tiny amount of salt, and I'm going to add it to water and stir it. So I will keep stirring it for some time till it mixes completely. Now you will see that the water has completely mixed with the salt, and we cannot see where is the salt in this. You cannot find. So that means it has completely dissolved. So that means salt is soluble. In the same way, if I take sugar, this is the sugar, okay, and if I will add the sugar in this water, then this will also completely dissolve. So that means even sugar is soluble in water. Now something interesting, I have got some soil here. This is soil which I have collected from my garden. I will pour this soil or add it to the water. Now when I will add this to the water, you will see that you can see something floating here, and you can see that the water is not pure. It has got some impurity in it. So this is insoluble. Anything which does not dissolve in water is insoluble. So likewise, if you add chalk to it, or you add chalk powder to it, or you add leaves to it, they will also not dissolve in water. Now again I have a clean sample of water, and to this I'm going to add a liquid to a liquid. So I'm going to add oil to it. Now when I add oil to it, like you can see, I have poured this oil. So this oil will not mix. Even if I use a stirrer or a spoon and dissolve it, it will not mix. And the oil, if you see, it is going to float on top. You can see here there is a layer of oil on top, because oil is lighter than water. So what happens is, liquids, so the liquids which do not dissolve in water are called immiscible liquids. So immiscible liquids are basically your oils, whether it is coconut, refined oil, olive oil, any kind of oil will not dissolve in water. So this is immiscible or insoluble. I prefer to use the term immiscible for the liquids. And I can show you. You can see how the oil is floating. Of course there are certain impurities, but along with that the oil is also floating.